wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best portable nebulizers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The LFS Mini is a small handheld apparatus that requires no bulky tubes or cords and fits easily into a jacket, pocket or handbag. It runs on 2 rechargeable AA batteries and will automatically turn off after 10 minutes of runtime to conserve energy. It's good for undiluted medications or saline and can be used anywhere. However, it will leak if used incorrectly. At number 9, the rechargeable power pack that comes with the Pari compressor combo lasts for up to 50 minutes, which is plenty of time to administer enough breathing treatments to enjoy an outing without looking for somewhere to plug it in. You get 2 inhaler units and a useful car adapter, but they work only with the proprietary battery. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Standing a bit over 6 inches tall and a little over 7 inches wide, the TT Star all-in-one inhaler kit doesn't take up much space on any surface. It disperses a fine mist with particles that are between 0.5 and 5 micrometers in size to provide quick relief of symptoms. The included tubing is over 5 feet long and you get built-in storage for accessories. However, note that you must wash everything before use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable nebulizers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, keeping up with regular breathing treatments or administering the occasional emergency dose is easy with the TT Star compact compressor. Just set it up on a stable surface, plug it in, add meds to the cup, affix the hose attachments and mask or mouthpiece, and turn it on. This one can move nearly 7 liters each minute and offers a pressure of up to 58 psi, but it struggles to dissolve some medicines. Moving up our list to number 6. While it might not be the best one to take on the road, the carrying handle on the proaller personal mist compressor inhaler makes it a convenient solution to accompany you to any number of places where you can find a power outlet. It comes with 2 masks and is great for bedside use. However, it is a plug-in only option. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're searching for a more convenient option to take with you while traveling, the Mayo Clinic Wizard may be what you need. It comes with 2 mesh screens that are easy to remove and has a clear chamber that lets you effortlessly view the liquid level within. This one shuts off automatically and weighs only 8 ounces. The USB charger has a retractable cable. At number 4, the TT Star Travel Inhaler weighs less than 5 pounds and houses everything from its power cord to the extension tube in its built-in storage compartments, so it's no problem to take along wherever you go to treat asthma or other causes of respiratory congestion. It comes with non-slip rubber feet and a standard tubing connection. It offers an easy push-button operation. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The royaroma Personal uses an innovative gentle spray method to administer drug dosages, so it's not too overwhelming or intimidating for the patient. The friendly smile of the dog character is also a good way to distract younger children so they don't get scared. It features low residue collection and a flexible nose bridge support. It's great for those with sensory issues. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable nebulizers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the motor of the valdotek vaporizer is equipped with a thermal protector, making it more durable when longer sessions are needed. It has a handy instruction manual that'll help you safely set up and use your device to get the most benefit from it. This one's suitable for all ages and equipped with accessories that are reusable after cleaning and top-mounted ports. And coming in at number 1 on our list, weighing just over 3 pounds and featuring a low noise level of only 60 decibels, the maromalife treatment machine is the perfect unit to take on play dates in case your nipper is prone to asthma attacks or you're out past their medication time. This one comes with 5 air filters and a cup that holds 6 milliliters of fluid. It's simple to disinfect. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable nebulizers, or simply click beneath this video.